During the breeding season in the temperate zones of the northern hemisphere, the northern lapwing, Vanellus, congregates to nest on wet meadows across Europe and Siberia. As the ice melts, abundant insects and other invertebrates provide the food needed for chicks to grow rapidly under parental care. However, when winter arrives and food becomes scarce, from September to November flocks of lapwings begin their migration, leaving the cold temperate regions for South and Southeast Asia, including Vietnam, to escape the cold and find richer feeding grounds. This is a long journey linking two distant regions of the Earth. The northern lapwing, Vanellus, is the largest species among the medium-sized lapwings. It measures on average 28 to 31 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 67 to 72 centimeters, yet weighs only 200 to 300 grams. Its most distinctive feature is the long, slender crest extending backward from the head, which in adults can exceed 5 centimeters. The head and breast are marked by glossy black plumage contrasting with the white face and belly. The back and upper wings are black with a metallic sheen that can flash green or violet in sunlight. Its long, gray-pink legs are adapted for walking on soft mud. The straight black bill of moderate length is highly sensitive to vibrations in the substrate, allowing it to detect prey. In flight, the broad white wing edges are striking a key field mark distinguishing it from other lapwing species. The northern lapwing breeds mainly across Europe, Russia and Siberia. It chooses damp grasslands, natural marshes and shallow farmland for nesting. After the breeding season, from September to November, flocks begin their southward journey through the Middle East, South Asia and Southeast Asia. Their migration covers thousands of kilometers, crossing a mosaic of habitats, grasslands, freshwater lakes, river mouths, sunlit coasts. They follow traditional migration corridors shaped over thousands of years, stopping at intermediate wetlands to rest, refuel, and survive the next leg of the trip. Vietnam is one of the most important wintering grounds in Southeast Asia. Here they gather on coastal mudflats, marshes, flooded rice fields, true fuel stations, rich in food, allowing them to recover after their long flights. By spring, as the north warms and food returns, they set off on the reverse route, navigating back to their breeding grounds with remarkable precision. The northern lapwing feeds mainly during the day and at dusk. It probes its bill deep into the mud to find insects, crustaceans, earthworms and other small organisms. Its foraging follows the rhythm of the waves, light steps, bill moving constantly. It detects prey through vibrations in the substrate, allowing it to exploit food resources efficiently in wetlands. The presence of the northern lapwing signals that a wetland ecosystem is supplying enough insects and crustaceans, a valuable biological indicator of environmental health. Every year, millions of northern lapwings set off from their breeding grounds in Europe and Siberia. They fly thousands of kilometers across grasslands, rivers and seas, stopping at intermediate wetlands to rest and refuel. In Vietnam, they spend the winter on coastal mudflats, marshes and flooded rice fields, rich feeding grounds that let them recover before heading back north in spring. This migration repeats each year, showing the species' remarkable precision and endurance. The northern lapwing is listed as near threatened in the IUCN Red List, mainly because of the loss of breeding grounds and changes in wetland habitats. Tracking their flight paths and population numbers helps scientists understand the global network of wetlands, the migration corridors, and the impacts of climate change. Protecting mudflats, marshes and seasonally flooded rice fields in Vietnam not only safeguards the northern lapwing but also maintains the biodiversity of estuarine and coastal ecosystems. From the damp meadows of Europe and Siberia to the tidal flats of Vietnam, the journey of the northern lapwing stands as a vivid testament to nature's endurance and the invisible links between distant ecosystems. Each migration season, their arrival not only enriches Vietnam's natural tapestry but also reminds us of the vital importance of conserving wetlands, indispensable stopovers in the lives of millions of migratory birds. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.